Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to measure your mast air draft. This is actually my depth bow weight. We're going to measure that because I need to know if I can get through the Lake Okeechobee waterway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make knots at the 5-foot sections. We're going to raise this up, lower it back down, and measure it with this. Even though it says 25 feet, we'll measure it. Let's do this. Alright, so I got my line tied to my halyard. What I'm going to do is as this goes up, I'm actually going to keep it away so it doesn't bang into the mast. Don't want to send a big weight up there. You'll end up smashing into your mast. Your dock neighbors come running asking what's wrong, and then they'll be laughing at you. I gotta fix that. Yeah, so now we'll just hoist it and then mark it. And once it's to the top, we'll make a mark, pull it down tight, and then measure from there to the water. And that's how you do it. Just make sure those knots are really, really good. Don't pull up too hard. You don't want it to jam up there. Alright, so I'm going to use this as my marker. Just going to pull tight. Mark it right there. I can't do that single-handed, so I got to put the phone down. At the bottom of my weight, I'll drop that down to the water and measure up. And that will give me my total distance, mast height, top of the mast. So what it is, I did a 10-foot measurement from here, midship cleat, came back, found all the correspondence, it's like the pelican hook through it, just ran the line back and forth 3 times, and then measured to the black mark, which you can see is right there in front of that tire. That is 37 feet, and then from my mark there to the water is 9 feet, which makes my mast 46 feet to the top. Add 3 feet for antenna, that's 49. Yep. So that's how you measure your mast. rough measurement. That's how you do it.